Hello, everybody. It's Brother MacArthur here. Hey, just want to quickly touch base with you regarding lesson 5. What week is this? Anyway, what we got going on this week. So, let me just comment quickly on the discussion boards. First of all, thank you for your sincere comments and really teaching one another. I know I mentioned this last week, but I'm just so excited for where you're at. Just a reminder, don't forget that you do need to ask your group a question. It's easy as you start to get into the routine of the same things every week to sometimes miss some little things. And that's key to helping your class discuss. Also, if you don't, you'll be docked points. And then make sure you do it by Wednesday night, 11 p.m. The other thing I want to say is thank you for being willing to ask questions. It's not always easy to ask others questions, and sometimes we think, oh, it's going to be a stupid question, and people are going to make fun of me, or, I'll look dumb and things like that. But, if you look at all learning, it emanates, almost all of it, from a person asking questions. Just look at any section of the Doctrine and Covenants, and it's Joseph Smith, almost any section, I guess I should say, where Joseph Smith's asking a question. So don't ever hesitate to ask questions. I remember when in my own personal life, in fact, to be honest with you, it was when I was in grad school, where I just thought, you know what, I'm done. I'm done worrying about what other people are thinking of me if I ask a question. I just want to learn. And it was like a whole new world just opened up. And not only did I just find my learning greatly enhanced and increase, but I also found, ironically, other people were grateful, because it was like once one person would ask a question, another's like, oh, good, okay, I can ask a question too and stuff. So just keep seeking truth, keep asking. Well, you know the drill now by now, the routine of everything. So thank you. Again, don't forget the weekly reports. And I just want to say something here as you're studying this week. Where is it at? Lesson 5, study assignments. You get to study the same article of faith again. It's kind of like part 2 of this. Okay. And this week your focus is a little bit more on salvation for the dead and then applying the atonement of Jesus Christ. Great little article here on Revelation in context. You're going to enjoy that. And then you'll love studying the verses about applying the atonement of Jesus Christ. We talked a little bit about that. I mentioned to you last week the importance of just applying the atonement of Jesus Christ. It's not just for what we think sometimes as big sinners. But President Russell M. Nelson needs the atonement of Jesus Christ. He needs Jesus Christ. You and me, we need Jesus Christ. I just want each of you to know that I know Jesus Christ lives. I know He knows what's going on in our lives. And more than all of that, I know He cares. I know He loves us and wants us to be happy. So thank you, students, and have a great week. Let me know if I can do anything.